Hello students, I am teacher Yemi. I am teaching you Computer Science Part 2. Computer Science Part 1 will be taken by Sir Sunil. Today we are going to learn a new chapter from CS2, that is Peripheral Devices. Our first topic is multimedia. So, what do you mean by a multimedia? As the name implies, multimedia is the integration of multiple forms of media. This includes text, graphics, audio, video, etc. For example, a presentation involving audio and video clips would be considered as multimedia presentation. Educational software that involves animations, sound and text is called multimedia software. CDs and DVDs are often considered to be multimedia formats, since they can store a lot of data, and most forms of multimedia require a lot of disk space. Due to the advancement in computer speeds and storage space, multimedia is commonplace today. In this chapter, we will discuss how the computer multimedia works. If a system presents some information through more than two media, it is known as multimedia. For example, TV presents audio and video. Book presents text, image and graphs, computer, etc. The information presented through multimedia has better quality and capability, as it can be understood easily. The advanced computer system is a great example of modern multimedia. Now, in this section, we will understand the literal meaning of multimedia. Multi, it means more than one. Medium, it is singular and it means intermediary. Media, it is plural and it means conveying the information. Likewise, multimedia is the field of computer science that integrates different forms of information and represents in the form of audio, video and animation along with the traditional media, that is text, graphics, drawings, images, etc. Multimedia elements are divided into two: dynamic elements and static elements. Dynamic elements include video, animation and audio. Static elements include text and graphics. So, what do you mean by a text? It contains alphanumeric and some other special characters. Keyboard is usually used for input of text. However, there are some internal, that is, inbuilt features to include such text. Graphics. It is technology to generate, represent, process, manipulate and display pictures. It is one of the most important components of multimedia application. The development of graphics is supported by different software. Now, animation. Computer animation is a modern technology which helps in creating, developing, sequencing and displaying a set of images, technically known as frames. Animation gives visual effects or motion very similar to that of a video. Now, audio. This technology records, synthesizes, and plays audio, that is sound. There are many learning courses and different instructions that can be delivered through this medium appropriately. Now, next is video. This technology records, synthesizes, and displays images known as frames in such sequences, that is at a fixed speed, that makes the creation appear as moving. This is how we can completely develop a video. In order to watch a video without any interruption, video device must display 20 to 30 frames per second. Now, what are the applications of multimedia? Presentation. With the help of multimedia, presentation can be made effective. E-books. Today, books are digitalized and easily available on the internet. Digital library. The need to be physically present at a library is no more necessary. Libraries can be accessed from the internet also. Digitalization has helped libraries to come to this level of development. Next is e-learning. Today, most of the institutions, public as well as private, both are using such technology for education of people. Movie making. Most of the special effects that we see in any movie is only because of multimedia technology. Video games. Video games are one of the most important, interesting creations of multimedia technology. Video games fascinate not only the children but adults too. Animated films. Along with video games, animated film is another great source of entertainment for children. Multimedia conferencing. People can arrange personal as well as business meetings online with the help of multimedia conferencing technology. E-shopping. Multimedia technology has created a virtual area for the e-commerce section. Now we can see what are the major features of multimedia. Its central processing unit, that is CPU, is very fast as it needs to process large amount of data. It has huge storage capacity. It has huge memory power that helps in running heavy data programs. It has high capacity graphic card that helps in displaying graphics, animation, videos, etc. The sound system makes it easy to listen to audio. With all these features discussed above, a computer system is known as high-end multimedia computer system. However, all the features listed above are not essentially required for every multimedia computer system, but rather the features of a multimedia computer system are configured as per the need of a respective user. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can contact me in my personal WhatsApp number